Welcome to a room tour. We're here at the Eden Beach here in Khao Lak. We have a standard room, so if you're coming with me, we'll give you a room tour. Okay, so as we are in the first bit of the room, there's a few things to point. First of all, you've got the main air conditioning unit. You can turn it up or down, set the fan speeds as you like. Card entry for your electricity. And we have the tea and coffee making station. So you said we're staying here in bed and breakfast, but every room gets 4 bottles of water. You can pop them in your minibar just to cool them down a bit. And we have the minibar in here. This is all chargeable depending on what board bases you're on, but the majority of people come here bed and breakfast. There's a cubby hole in here if you want to store some extra stuff. And we have a full length mirror just to the side of me. Now if we come back to the room, we've got the main bed, which actually looks quite comfy, doesn't it? One button in the some of the other place we stayed, and we've got a nice sofa area here in front of the bed. And while you're here, you get a beach bag. Every room gets a beach bag with some beach towels in it as well to take down the beach. And if we pop this way, we have TV on the wall, got a side unit, got a room service menu, receptionist, you can call 0, and then they've got some other stuff here, like special events going on. They do things like barbecue on the beach, that kind of stuff. You can do all that. But just to note, there's plug sockets either side of the bed, but there are no USBs in this room. If you come through this way with me, we have the sink area. No his and her sink, we've just got one sink. The decor around the taps and that are actually quite nice. We've got 2 extra bottles of water here, so that makes up to 4 in total. You've got your body lotion, beach soap bar, you've got some other amenities in the bag there, some sandals to walk around in. As you come into the wardrobe, you will see that there is coat hanging space. You've got your bathrobes, umbrellas in case it rains, and a safety deposit box in case you want to store your goods. Now, if we come into the bathroom, this is quite pokey in here, so bear with me, it's quite pokey. So if you come in here, you have the pooping room to the right or your left as you're looking at it, and you have a shower, which is quite nice. Quite an industrial shower, which is quite nice. Good little hidey hole. You've got your shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel in here, so you don't have to bring it. Just bring your own shampoos if you're sensitive to hair products. Now, if we come back out this way, we have a little balcony, and I was joking to Ellie, I thought we were going to have a view of air conditioning unit, but we don't. We're out on the balcony of the main room. As you can see, we're overlooking a pool. We're in building A, we're on the 2nd floor. Quite a nice little outlook that we've got actually. Quite like jungly vibes, not as much. If you've seen our Thailand videos, we stayed at the Mandarava Resort in the Phuket. Probably recommend you check that hotel out as well. We've got an area to dry swimwear, and we've got a little bench with a table for drinks. And that concludes our room tour here at the Eden Beach. Thank you for watching this video of the room tour. This is a standard room here at Eden Beach. Don't forget to watch the resort tour of the Eden Beach here in Khao Lak. It'll pop up in the link in the description below. If you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button, because it helps our channel massively. And don't forget to subscribe, because we have loads and loads of Thailand videos coming out. We've literally just come back from Elephant Hills here in Thailand, and we'll see you around our vlogs. Thanks for watching. Ciao.